Well, folks, welcome to Alaska. Welcome to the Pacific Ocean. Came into Alaska a few days ago, drove all the way down to Homer here, which I definitely get the vibe I'm in Alaska in this place. Just spend the entire day fishing off the spit, but we'll see what saltwater species I can land today. Pretty excited. Of course, you can book like a full-on charter and catch like huge halibut in this area. That's what a lot of people do when they come here. But the nice thing is you are able to catch fish right off the beach. Just excited to be fishing right on the shores of the Pacific Ocean. Let's go. Like I've got myself a little halibut here. Look at that fish, eh? Look at that face. This is how they look like underneath, and they swim flat and their face is like splatted, it looks like. I'm gonna put this one back. Cool little fish. Just a tiny little halibut. They get much bigger, like a few 100 pounds. Catch them way out in the ocean, like really big ones. Catch them from shore sometimes, like 20-30 pounds I hear, maybe even 40 pounds. A Pacific halibut, but there's a lot of yellowfin sole and starry flounder people get confused with. Well, this little sucker nearly pulled my rod into the water. Just a tiny little one here. Come on, baby. So basically, every few minutes, I'm having to move my equipment further away from the water because the tide's coming up pretty quick. And this part of Alaska has really fast tides. And so this morning when I got here, the tide was very low. Spoke to some people, they said the tide doesn't really matter when it comes to this sort of shore fishing here. It doesn't really matter that much. So good thing is, whether the tide is high or low, you can still catch fish offshore here, which means I can maximize the amount of time I'm fishing and I don't have to wait for a certain tide to be able to catch fish. Tiny little pollock. Another little walleye pollock. that you can send out there? Not a bad one. Well, if you eat fish at McDonald's, this is what they give you. Walleye pollock. Pretty good, but I'm gonna let this one go. It's fun.
Yeah, it is fun. You know, there's a hole on the spit right here, but it's the same thing too. There we go.
Yeah.
Great, you know. What do you got?
Pollock.
Oh, yeah.
But this is what they give you at McDonald's, hey?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think that's what everybody says here.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a sea star. God damn it. This would be a yellowfin sole. Tell by the yellow fins. Apparently they're good eating. I'm gonna let this one go. Sculpin. Every bend in the road, there's a freaking moose. Freaking Alaska. That is it. This is the next day now. Yeah, the seas are quite angrier than yesterday and the day before. It's gonna be that way for a few days to come. So that's it for this film. Yeah, no, it was fun catching some new species that exist nowhere near where I'm from. You know, didn't catch anything crazy, but still cool to catch some few saltwater fish for a change here. Thanks for watching. Stick around for the next one. Cheers.